Welcome to today's lecture on strategic business analysis. In this session, we will explore 4 critical frameworks and techniques that are fundamental to understanding and navigating the business environment. PESTEL analysis, Porter's 5 forces model, competitor analysis, and identifying opportunities and threats. Each of these tools provides valuable insights that can help businesses strategize effectively and maintain a competitive edge.
1. PESTEL analysis. PESTEL analysis is a framework used to analyze the external macroenvironmental factors that could impact an organization. It covers 6 key areas: political, economic, social, technological, environmental, and legal factors. Political factors. Government stability. A stable political environment fosters confidence and predictability. Conversely, political instability can lead to uncertainties and risks for businesses. Regulation and taxation policies. Policies on taxation, labor laws, trade tariffs, and environmental regulations can affect business costs and operational decisions. Trade policies, international trade agreements, tariffs, and trade barriers impact global supply chains and market access. Economic factors. Economic growth rates. High economic growth can boost consumer spending and business investment, while slow growth can limit opportunities. Inflation and interest rates. Inflation affects purchasing power and costs, while interest rates impact borrowing costs and investment decisions. Exchange rates. For international businesses, exchange rate fluctuations influence export and import costs. Social factors. Demographic changes, population age, gender distribution, and other demographic trends impact market demand and workforce availability. Cultural norms and lifestyle changes. Social values and lifestyle preferences influence consumer behavior and product demand. Education levels. The skill and education levels of the workforce can affect productivity and innovation. Technological factors. Innovation and R&D. Technological advancements drive innovation and efficiency, impacting product development and business operations. Digital transformation. The rise of digital technologies affects marketing, customer engagement, and business processes. Automation. Automation can increase efficiency, but also poses challenges in terms of workforce displacement. Environmental factors. Sustainability. Businesses are increasingly required to adopt sustainable practices to reduce their environmental impact. Climate change. Climate-related risks and regulations impact operational risks and resource availability. Resource scarcity. Scarcity of natural resources affects production and supply chain strategies. Legal factors. Regulatory compliance. Adherence to laws and regulations is crucial for avoiding legal issues and maintaining business integrity. Intellectual property. Protecting IP rights ensures that innovations and brand identities are safeguarded. Consumer protection. Regulations affecting product safety, advertising, and data protection are important for maintaining consumer trust.
2. Porter's 5 forces model. Porter's 5 forces model is a framework for analyzing the competitive forces within an industry. It helps businesses understand the intensity of competition and the attractiveness of an industry. Threat of new entrants. Barriers to entry. High barriers such as capital requirements, economies of scale, and brand loyalty can reduce the threat of new competitors. Regulatory barriers, industry regulations, and patents can also limit the entry of new firms. Bargaining power of suppliers. Supplier concentration. If there are few suppliers for critical inputs, their bargaining power increases. Switching costs. High switching costs for changing suppliers can increase their power. Bargaining power of buyers. Buyer concentration. When buyers are few and concentrated, they can exert more influence on pricing and quality. Product differentiation. Low differentiation between products increases buyer power as they can easily switch to alternatives. Threat of substitute products. Availability of substitutes. The presence of alternative products or services can limit an industry's profitability. Price-performance trade-off. If substitutes offer better value or performance, they increase the threat. Intensity of competitive rivalry. Industry growth. Slow industry growth can increase competition as firms fight for market share. Competitive landscape. high levels of competition, such as numerous players or aggressive pricing strategies, intensify rivalry. 3. Competitor analysis. Competitor analysis involves identifying and evaluating the strengths and weaknesses of current and potential competitors. This process helps businesses understand their competitive landscape and formulate effective strategies. Identifying competitors. Direct competitors, companies offering similar products or services targeting the same customer base. Indirect competitors, companies providing alternative solutions that satisfy the same customer needs. Assessing competitor strengths and weaknesses. Product offerings. Analyze the quality, features, and pricing of competitors' products or services. Market positioning. Understand how competitors position themselves in the market and their brand perception. Financial performance. Evaluate competitors' financial health to gauge their market strength and investment capacity. Operational capabilities. Assess competitors' operational efficiencies, supply chain management, and technology utilization. Strategic moves and responses. Competitive strategies. Analyze competitors' strategies, including marketing, pricing, and innovation. Potential threats. Identify any strategic moves that could threaten your market position, such as new product launches or market expansions. 4. Identifying opportunities and threats. This step involves leveraging insights from PESTEL analysis, Porter's 5 Forces model, and competitor analysis to identify potential opportunities and threats in the business environment. Opportunities. Market expansion. Identify new markets or customer segments that present growth potential. Product development. Opportunities for innovation or development of new products and services based on market needs and technological advancements. Strategic partnerships. Potential collaborations or alliances that can enhance market reach or operational capabilities. Regulatory changes. Changes in regulations that could create new business opportunities or competitive advantages. Threats. Economic downturns. Economic conditions that could adversely impact demand or operational costs. Intensified competition. Increased competitive pressure from existing or new competitors. Regulatory challenges. New or stringent regulations that could impact business operations or increase costs. Technological disruptions. Rapid technological changes that could render current products or business models obsolete. In summary, understanding and applying frameworks such as PESTEL analysis, Porter's 5 Forces model, competitor analysis, and identifying opportunities and threats are crucial for strategic business planning. These tools provide a comprehensive view of the external and competitive environment, enabling businesses to make informed decisions, capitalize on opportunities, and mitigate potential risks. Thank you for participating in today's lecture. I hope you now have a deeper understanding of these strategic tools and how they can be applied to real-world business scenarios. Feel free to ask any questions or seek further clarifications.